Hi everyone, before we get into the video, if you haven't received our latest Royal Drapery Design Ideas catalog yet, please take a moment, click on the video or the link in the description below, enter your name and your email address. We'll send you out a free copy of our latest Royal Drapery Design catalog today. Enjoy the video.
Hi, I'm Jackie. I live in Burbank, California. We recently remodeled our living room and replaced the windows. I was looking for drapery design ideas that were different and elegant. One of my friends introduced me to Galaxy Design. I watched a few of their videos on YouTube and fell in love with their designs. When I contacted them, they did a video call with me. They helped me throughout the entire process. They helped me choose my colors, the fabric, and also the design. I just received my elegant drapery package and I can't wait to open it. This is beautiful, exactly what I imagined, envisioned. This is perfect. After receiving my drapery package, I was very happy with it. It was exactly what I wanted and imagined, envisioned. My draperies are exactly what I wanted and I envisioned. I'm so excited to share them with my family and friends. I highly recommend Galaxy Design to anyone who's looking for draperies. If I can do it, you can do it.
We hope you enjoyed our video. below, and thanks for watching.